Hello children, now maths class 5th, lesson number 1, the fish tail. Find the sums of the following. You have done these sums. Homework, please check the answers. Find the difference between the following. Simple subtractions. You have done already sums in homework. Please check the answers. Solve these word problem. A man bought a plot of land for rupees 3,53,900 rupees. He spent 4,25,250 rupees on building material and rupees 89,350 on labor to build the house. How much money did he spend in all? In all means प्लस आपको इन सभी को डिजिट्स को प्लस करना है. प्लस कीजिए लैंड कॉस्ट, बिल्डिंग मटेरियल प्लस सैलरी ऑफ लेबर. आंसर्स: he spent in all money rupees 8,68,500 rupees. Now you have to do right answers. Next, the difference of two numbers is 40,25,218. If the smaller number is 1 crore 42,37,925, find the large number. Difference of the two numbers and small numbers in दोनों को प्लस कीजिए. This is answers. Now you have to do right answers. Next, the expenditure of a company was rupees 82,93,875 in 2007. If the present expenditure is rupees 1 crore 22,83,210, find the increase in expenditure. आप कीजिए इसमें 2000 का एक्सपेंडिचर को आपको प्रेजेंट एक्सपेंडिचर से माइनस कर दीजिए. दिस इज आंसर्स. Now you have to do right answers. Increase expenditure 39,89,335 rupees. Next, the population of a country in 2001 was 62 crore 35 lakh 26,170. The present population is 82 crore 20 lakh 16,345. Find the increase in population. प्रेजेंट पॉपुलेशन से 2007 की पॉपुलेशन को माइनस कीजिए. आपका आंसर आ जाएगा 19 करोड़ 84 लाख 90,175 पॉपुलेशन. नेक्स्ट, question number. Tsunami travel at the rate of 60 km in 1 hour. Now answers the following. If the distance between Chennai and Pondicherry is 600 km, then tsunami will take how much time to travel between them? 1 kilometer 1 आवर में कितना किलोमीटर सुनामी ट्रेवल करती है? 60. तो आपको 60 डिवाइड बाय 600, आंसर आएगा 12 आवर्स. 10 आवर्स, सॉरी 10 आवर्स. Tsunami will take 10 hours to travel between Chennai to Pondicherry. If the rate between 100 km in 2 hours, Time taken between two cities will become hours. 2 hours में 100 किलोमीटर ट्रेवल करती है. टाइम टेकन बिटवीन टू सिटीज विल बिकम आवर्स. तो आप 100 किलोमीटर 2 आवर्स. 1 आवर में 50 किलोमीटर. 50 डिवाइड बाय 600. आंसर साइड आपका 12 आवर्स. 12 आवर्स taken between two cities. Next, mummy sends me for shopping. I bought bread for rupees 20. 1 dozen egg rate of 2 rupees per egg and 2 packets biscuits at the rate of 15 rupees per packet. Total amount: 1 bread 20 rupees, 20 plus 1 dozen egg 2 rupees per egg. 2 multiplied 12. 1 dozen में 12 होते हैं. 12 multiplied 2 is equal to 24. 1 packet 15 rupees. 15 multiplied 2 30. Plus in all 74 rupees. I spent 74 rupees. Tina bought TV for rupees 9,200. She gave the shopkeeper rupees 10,000. The money she returned. How much? 10,000 minus 9,200 is equal to 800. Find out the total amount in the following bill and write in box. Sweets 2 kg. Per kg 140. 140 multiplied to 280. Notebooks 2 dozen. Per dozen 120. 120 multiplied to 240. Woods 4. 150 per notebook. 150 multiplied 4 600. Pencils 2 dozen. Per dozen 25. 25 multiplied to 50. टोटल कीजिए. टोटल अमाउंट 1170 rupees. Next, prepare a bill for the following items and find the total. 5 boots cost 95 rupees. 10 boots 120. 1 pen 10 rupees. टोटल कॉस्ट आप इन तीनों को प्लस कीजिए. आपका आंसर आ जाएगा 225 rupees. अब if you give rupees 500 to the shopkeeper, how much will he return? 500 minus 225. आंसर आपका आएगा 275 rupees. You have to do right answers. He returned rupees 275. Thanks for watching.